Assalamu alaikum. I am Ayesha Imtiaz, recommended as lecturer Zoology 2022, 7th in Punjab by open merit. First of all, I would like to thank my parents, teachers, elders, and friends who helped me achieve the goal, especially respected Sir Azhar Rasool, whose timely guidance and supervision paved way for the success. He is a true guide who kept the PPSC aspirants fully informed, from applying for the test till appearing for the interview. He is providing knowledge to the students face to face as well as using modern technology via YouTube channel. Daily schedule for lectures and quizzes are shared on WhatsApp group. These lectures and quizzes are prepared with utmost care after consulting books, and it is ensured that each and every information being given to the students is perfectly right and supported by research. JEF Biolecturia team not only helps students learn the curriculum but also empowers them by motivation and inspiration under the supervision of respected Sir Azhar Rasool. I suggest PPSC aspirants to please join JEF Biolecturia so that you may get right instructions at right time from the right platform.